Are you guys confused on how you guys can save Snapchat filters on your phone? Well, this is the right video for you guys, because in this video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can save Snapchat filter. But before I start this video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, so you guys can get notified once our new video releases, because we post content like this. And yeah, watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip, then you guys might get confused on how you guys can save your Snapchat filter as well. So let's start the video without any further ado. So to save your Snapchat filter, first you need to go to the camera icon on Snapchat, which looks like this, and search the filter which you want to save. So basically for that, first click on this emoji icon, then it's gonna take you to this Snapchat filter page over here. So as you guys can see, these are all the filters I have over here, which is saved on my phone, as you guys can see. So if I want to save a new Snapchat filter over here, what I can do is go and explore to search for the Snapchat filter which I want to save. So let's say I want to save this one where it says cloud glasses. I can click on cloud glasses, and after you click on this filter, or any filter, you can do this for any filter. After you click the filter which you want, you can just click a photo with it. Once you click a photo with this filter, basically save the photo, or send the photo to whoever you want. So let's say I save the photo and send it to one of my friends over here. And after doing that, what I can do is go back and just let me show you guys. The filter must have been saved over here. As you guys can see, at the last, this filter has been saved over here, cloud glasses by Jawan. This is the filter and it has been saved over here. Last time this filter was not over here because I had not saved the filter yet, but now look at this filter is saved on my phone. So that's basically what you do. You go to explore, you choose the filter you want, you use the filter, and you send the photo to a friend or do whatever you want. Basically just use the filter. Okay, once you use the filter will be automatically saved on your device. So that's basically how you save filter on Snapchat. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll see you guys in a bit. Have a nice day.